Braids, hairstyles with bun. I recorded doing my hair before I went to the beach, so here you go.
Hey black girl, welcome back to my channel. Love all.
Wow, that's done. Next, cute bun with edges.
All black through the woods with a backpack and a lit match. Spark one time, get the whole city looking like a dark shade of orange when I burn it down. What it is, what it do, whole clique getting live on the talk of the town. Lemon City had a mouth and it wouldn't shut up. On a hunt for a crown, when they get it, I'ma burn it. Cause nobody in the game right now even deserve it. What I need a crown for anyway, I should have a halo the way that I made a penny turn to gold. And a penny for
tutorial. So here's my product. You know, wet the hair down because my hair was already slicked prior to this. I'm gonna make two parts, middle to your ear. It should look something like this. Get your gel, put on the top of your hair, no frizzy, start the braiding process. Do it on both sides, so it should look like that, and put the braids behind your head. Now you're just going to spray your whole hair, make sure it's all wet and damp, put your products in. I have my detangler, I have my curl defining gel. Yep, I'm just seeing Beyonce right here. These two new products I've never tried before, so I hope they look good. This one seems pretty cool. I wasn't sure, I'm not really a big fan of gels, I always dry out my hair, but let's see. Do it to your whole head. Edges, inches per, this is what it looks like. Alright, let's see what it's gonna look like now. Be back, bye. Oh, I'm back, and look at the hair. Oh my god, I'm in love. Everybody know I'm working in the sea, I do it differently, so only time will give me everything that I deserve. My id. I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to no end. That's the stuff that I love, la la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. It's like the story of my life. Best friends, but we rocking all the same things. Say you need me, but you really tryna change lanes. Well, I don't even care. In my life, I don't battle with no fear. Fighting dragons, always been a real one. Hate you saying showing love, you a real chameleon. Get the facts freaking straight, always on repeat. Like, we could be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. This is how I brush out my hair for really juicy ringlets. So I make sure my hair is soaking wet throughout the process. Then I'm going to smooth my hair with the styling brush first. Then I'm going to apply tension to help clump my curls together. Sometimes I also put my hand over the brush to create more tension and create tighter curls. You can also brush curl your hair around the handle of your brush to create really juicy ringlets that last ages. And this is what it looks like. So on the left hand side there's no brush styling, and on the right it's been brushed up. And this is the finished.
Looking at me, boy, you're looking at me, girl. You're looking at me, keeping that love, but you're looking at me. I keep it red, but they keep it coming. No say that bad, I can do you no harming. But if you're gonna make me mad, no, don't ever make me mad. Cause if you're gonna make me mad, make me bad, make me bad. Gotta let it kiss, but keep it chic. Nothing I would do will never
Look how hydrated, bouncy, and defined my curls are. Juicy, healthy, hydrated curls does not have to be expensive. I'm here to show you how you can ball on a budget and have really good hair. The kind of hair that people literally stop you in the street and tell you how good it looks. The easiest way to spend the least amount of money on hair products but have the best hair possible is to purchase products that have dual uses. That would be things like cleanse and condition or hydrate and repair. That's why I love this curl cream from the Inky List. This is their Chia Seed Curl Defining Hair Treatment. This product targets your hair's bonds to help reduce, protect, and repair against breakage. But, and this is the dual purpose thing, it also adds so much hydration and life back into my curls. I take 3 pumps like this, and I just coat this over all of my hair. I'm not adding any other products to my hair, just the curl cream so I can show you guys the full results. I was not kidding, you guys. Here are the results with just the curl cream.
When you know how to love yourself, you will always be beautiful and shining wherever you are. Do you guys like the hair tutorials on my channel? Please subscribe to the channel and comment below to let me know.
Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes. Baby, you think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need it.